cactus. Wow. Oh yeah. It is. We got some shade though. Just careful with this little rock right here. I don't want to slip on that. I'm gonna walk down like this because I don't like how that looks. But you can kind of see what I'm working with right here. It's like all the steep limelight, whatever this type of rock is called. Yeah. All right. Well, guys, this is what we got to work with here. This little body of water right here. Hopefully it works. We'll see. Can you see that? A little micro bluegill?
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on. Oh, it's going like that. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
He makes pretty good bait.
I would keep that just in case.
Keep him on a hook.
You want to take a picture of your micro? I would keep that for bait. Put them in maybe in the bubbler.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. It is currently 7:27 right here in the morning, and we're out here at Lake Pleasant trying to land some striper, white bass, some largemouth. I wasn't able to get it on video, but I was able to go ahead and land me a 2-pounder largemouth bass. I landed out that bass. I wasn't able to record it because it didn't feel like a fish. It felt like I was more like snagged, like I was stuck. So I was like, I just got stuck again. But no, it ended up being a fish. So really excited about that. Hopefully, me and my father-in-law land some more fish out here. We'll see as we go. But it's just the name of the game. Woo! Baby striper. I want something a little bit bigger, a little bit more meat. Should I throw him back? Should I keep him? Let him do his thing. All right, there is fish here, guys. Oh, dude, just swiped it and took it. Oh man, that was a catfish. That had to have been a catfish. That had to have been a catfish. I got you now, man. What is it? Is that a catfish. Ah, another cat daddy. Oh yeah, this is big old cat daddy right here. I think so. Yeah, I got one. Worm. Yeah. It's a channel cat, cat daddy.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna keep him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll keep him. Hell yeah. I came over here and I saw my pole was missing. I was like, what the f? And I saw it on the ground. I was like, oh shit. Big old cat daddy right there, man. Oh yeah. I have some little fish fry, little catfish nuggets. Yeah, I'll fillet it at the house or whatnot. Look at that bad boy right there. Channel cat. Oh. Yeah, guys, so far I've landed 3 catfish. I'm taking 1 home. I let the other 2 go. But yeah, we got here, I believe, what, Friday? Got here Friday. Pretty slow start. We started fishing later in the evening because it was so hot. Literally the only times that I would think that you could fish out here is probably early in the morning or sunset, you know, sunset time when the sun's already going down. It's been in the high 90s, triple digits out here. All in all, it's been great. Really good experience out here. First time actually catching something out here at Lake Pleasant out here in Arizona. So I think it was worth it, you know. Fishing trip was pretty good. A little bit slow of a bite. Not as much action packed as I would have liked, but was able to create some content because I know it's been at least, what, 2 weeks since my last video. I think we're gonna head out in about 30-40 minutes. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, hopefully this video turned out pretty good. I don't know exactly, but it'd be nice to see how it went. Just hoping that I could land something else and take it home. Primarily striper or catfish. I'll take either 2. And well, who knows, maybe even a crappie or something like that would be nice. But yeah, give it about another 30 minutes to an hour and then probably be the end of that. Ended up with just 1 for this morning. Beggars can be choosers, but I'm choosing to keep this guy and take him home with me. And I think it's gonna be a whole lot of fun. There goes my stringer. So it's gonna be a whole lot of fun. So go ahead and take this guy home, fillet him, and have ourselves a little catfish fry. So excited about that. It's been years since I've had a catfish, so pretty excited about that. Nice little Arizona channel cat. That side's a little dirty. This guy was on the ground. But yeah.